Hello, my name is Tae My name is King, M602, number 5.
My name is Ishu Simamong. My nickname is Frank. M6/2, number 1.
My name is Kitin Tisat. My nickname is Tata. M6/2, number 7.
Hello, my name is Philadelphia Wangma. M6/2, number 8.
Hello, my name is Kitisak Pathoi, M6/2, number 11. Sir, I have to thank you. I am graduate.
Okay, first I want to confess on your creativity and so and enjoy your life.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
Thank you, everyone.
Do you have anything to say before graduate?
Actually nothing, because I'm just glad to graduate and feel freedom.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
Good luck for your
Thank you. Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
Good luck for congratulations for you all.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
For me, I feel glad for graduation, but I feel so sad. So sad for to say goodbye my friends. It's so empty inside.
Teacher, are we being when we are
We're here to be happy in the university life and find your great new phase and great community. Yeah, happy your life.
Thank you. Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for teacher. Thank you, my friends. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
I want everyone to try your best, doing what you want in the future, and do whatever job you want to do.
I want to support big bathroom for the next generation, please.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
I have to say much, but I think I want to say the school is the better thing I do. Because I love to study in this school and they teach me everything I want to know.
I want to thank you, teacher, and all students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
So I would like to say the one I have. So it's also happiness that I have friendly to have a study, happy, learning together before graduation. So I am really I feeling school very beautiful and I really thankful for all of you.
Do you have to say before you graduate?
Thank you, everything. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say before you graduate?
I have plenty of things to say before I graduate. I would like to say thank you to everybody, to my teachers, my friends, the principal, to every single people in the school, the staff, every single one. I think they have taught me a lot of lessons in my life, and I think they are very valuable to me because they are very important to my life, and I really wanted people to come here even more, so it can boost this place morale. It's very, very great place, and I think everybody will like it. So I think we should recommend people to be here more. That is all I have to say for this question. Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.